I'm going to show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to find trades that most people completely miss. This is how I use ChatGPT to find 1 to 10 risk to reward crypto trades every single time. If you've actually never used ChatGPT before, this video is for you. If you've been using it before to get good trades on Bybit futures trading, this video is actually recommended for you. Stick around to the very end of this video. The first thing you want to go is go to your ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Give the 10 most bearish structures of crypto assets on Bybit futures right now with high volatility on layer 2 today. Click on send and it will give you a response. Now, we're going to go step by step showing you all of these assets and taking you to the chart, analyzing them for you, showing you possible entries, possible exits, and how you can mark your valid order blocks with liquidity sweeps with respect to what ChatGPT has given us. This is amazing, guys. Now, so the first thing is we have AROB on Arbitrum. What does this say? It's a classic L2 downtrend continuation structure, repeated liquidity grabs above range highs, 4 hours order block retest often failed. So this is a dump continuation. Now let's go down. OP says the same thing. STROK says the same thing. MNT says the same thing. ZK, yes, look at this. ZK USDT. It says chop sweep dump pattern. Chop sweep dump pattern. So this is a recurrent thing. It says 4-hour OB zones often act as sell traps. Weak demand absorption. Right? So let's see TR. We'll go after them one after the other. And so you just have a good understanding of what we're doing. TR talks about post-high distribution structure, lower highs after every relief rally. Liquidity below equal lows attract dump. So we're going to use this tool now as a case study, ZK. Let's see if ChatGPT is right, if it gives us weak demand absorption. So let's go to ZK USDT.P. Okay, so what is the structure of this trend? Just look at it. This is the 1-day time frame. This is a bearish trend. Obviously, this is bearish. You don't need anybody to tell you this is bearish. So now let's mark our what? Structure. Did price tap into it? It did. It did. I think it did. Let's look at it very clearly. It did. It tapped into it. It tapped into this other block here. It tapped into it. And it gave us structural liquidity. I love this. So this was a break of structure. This was a break of structure. This was our inducement. You can see the way price took out that inducement. I will illustrate this with my dollar sign. And then move down to 4-hour time frame now. ChatGPT has already given us a good structure that we can follow. So we have nothing to fear. This is a low resistance run of liquidity. Liquidity is resting here like this. Low resistance run. I'm not seeing any buy here at all. So now, for the entry, what is price doing? Let's check. What exactly is price doing? I can already see that we have, let me go to 1-hour time frame now. There's a possible entry. Okay. You can see how price continuously mitigated supply, break of structure, inducement. So I'm waiting for a pullback that will likely what take me here again. Waiting for a pullback that will likely what take me here again to tag me towards this entry. So this will be my entry from here. Can you see this? Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You can target this low first. You can target this low. So I'll take profit. So what's the next coin? TIA. It says post-hype distribution structure, lower highs after every relief rally. Lower highs after every relief rally. Liquidity below equal lows attract dump. Let's see what TIA is saying. This did not play out. So you can see that this obviously is a downtrend. Obviously a downtrend. Let's look at the daily time frame. Liquidity sweep here. I wouldn't engage in this trade. You can see here, this structure was marked before, and this was supposed to be a bullish run, but it failed. It failed, and price what mitigated this supply here. I started showing what bearish intent. So let's look at the next one, IMX. IMX, long-term bearish channel structure. Let's go to long-term. So let's look at the weekly first. Let's look at the weekly. Obviously, the weekly is bearish. Okay. While the inducement here, here's the point of interest we're looking at. We have a point of interest here. Let's look at it from the daily time frame now. Okay. Okay. Yes, we have something here. We have something interesting here. And this is looking like an inducement. It is an inducement actually. It is an inducement, and price is already showing us bullish intent. So the big question is, where are we coming to? Are we coming to sweep out this inducement? If so, then we are what? Going to be trading this as a bullish what? Trend. So let's look at lower time frame now. Let's go to 1 hour straight and see if there is any possibility of a bullish move, a bullish intent from here. I can see that there's something here. It looks interesting. Let me go to 30 minutes or 45. I should be able to see perfect. I should be able to see a good entry from here. All right, this is a good entry, and price is most likely going to move from here. If we were to target this, let's not be greedy, but it's likely going to play out. IMX. Now let's go to ChatGPT now and ask it what are the bullish fundamentals behind IMX, or we can just copy this. And what are the bullish fundamentals? Web3 gaming plus infrastructure, massive ecosystem growth. Okay. 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 Let's ask ChatGPT now. It says market structure still controlled by sellers, right? Which is what we have here. But in the immediate trend, we are still what? Bullish. But this market is overall controlled by sellers. But immediate trend, we are still bullish. TP could be here, or you could just get in and get out from here. Get your 1 to 2 risk to reward and say bye-bye. Right? So, but basically, this is just how you can use ChatGPT to your advantage. Ask it any question, put the right prompt, and you're obviously good to go. Watch the next video after this. It's actually going to enlighten you more on how to use ChatGPT.